Hey guys, it's Cheryl today, Around the House with Cheryl, and I am participating in a collaboration with Grandma Sandy, and you had to do a fairy garden, so I decided to do a video of my patio with my fairies. So let's take a look. That's my fountain, and over here I have different plants and pots. These are in the blue and white pots are hostas that I divide every year and put in these pots. And up here I have a big hosta, and if you can see the little cat there in the background. And I have a couple of cactuses here, and you can see in the foreground my hydrangeas that are getting ready to bloom. And so we have 3 hostas on this side of the stairs, and on the other side I have the same hostas. So let's take a look. See? And these are so easy to grow in pots. They stay pretty in the spring. They get burnt out a little bit in the summer. Here's my other fairy I wanted to share. There are 2 fairies actually. And you see here we just have some little stones in her shell. And then here's another fairy that I painted a couple years ago. She needs a touch up. Look at this one, and her face so pretty. And here I wanted to share my tapestry down here. That's a blue star creeper, a new plant that I picked up, and just various sedums. And then in the pots I got some million bells. They're coming along. It hasn't been really hot yet, so I'll be back to show you how they fill out. The yellow ones are slow. But back there I have lithodia, and they're blooming a little bit. You see, I'm showing you my million bells. I like these because you don't have to pick them or pick off the dead blossoms like you do with the regular petunias. And here the lithodia is blooming, but this one here is not. I'm not sure what's up with that. And that's one of my new sedums there in the background. And this is a mandevilla vine. It'll climb up that trellis by the end of the season. Over here I have a couple of, oh yeah, I wanted to show you this guy. I have a sedum in him, and it blooms yellow, so it looks like he has blonde hair. So I thought that was a cute vine I found years ago. And look how big this hosta is. I want to divide it some next year. And that's my husband's miniature Japanese maple. So guys, I really enjoyed participating in this challenge with Grandma Sandy, and I hope you did too. So if you liked my video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new. I really appreciate it. It'll help my channel just like Sandy's. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care and be safe. Love you. Bye.